During CNC parts processing, material selection and processing technology are crucial. Material selection directly affects the performance and quality of parts, and processing technology can further improve the precision and surface quality of parts. First, let's talk about material selection. In CNC parts processing, steel, aluminum, copper, plastic, and other materials are usually used. Among them, steel has higher strength, hardness, and service life, suitable for manufacturing parts with higher requirements. Aluminum alloy has the characteristics of lightness and corrosion resistance, commonly used to manufacture parts for aircraft, automobile, and other industries. Copper and plastic have lower costs and better insulation properties, applicable to manufacturing electronic equipment, household appliances, etc. Next, let's talk about processing technology. There are many processing methods in CNC parts processing, such as turning, milling, grinding, drilling, etc. Each method has its own unique advantages and limitations. Choosing the right processing method can improve the accuracy and surface quality of parts. For example, turning is suitable for processing parts with more complex shapes, but the accuracy and surface quality are relatively low. Milling is suitable for processing parts with simple shapes such as planes and grooves, but the processing speed is slow. In summary, choose the right material and processing technology is the key to improving the quality and performance of CNC parts.